Altcoin is short for alternative coin. It refers to any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin launched in 2009, it was the first and only cryptocurrency. There were no altcoins at that time. As Bitcoin grew, developers began creating other cryptocurrencies. They aimed to address perceived limitations or explore new possibilities. These alternatives became known as altcoins, alternatives to Bitcoin. Today there are thousands of altcoins with different purposes in tech. Some altcoins are designed to be faster or more energy efficient than Bitcoin. Others support smart contracts, dApps, or private transactions. A major category is Ethereum-based tokens, which follow the ERC-20 standard. These tokens run on Ethereum, not on their own blockchains. Many altcoins do have their own blockchains like Litecoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. Each was created with specific goals, philosophies, or use cases in mind. Litecoin was one of the first altcoins, often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It aims to offer faster transaction times and lower fees than Bitcoin. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, enabling decentralized applications. Smart contracts are code that runs on the blockchain automatically. Ripple, or XRP, focuses on fast, low-cost international transfers for banks. Its design targets institutions rather than typical retail users. Monero and Zcash are privacy-focused altcoins that enable anonymous transactions. They hide sender, receiver, and/or amounts using cryptographic techniques. Chainlink provides decentralized oracles, bringing real-world data to smart contracts. This lets contracts react to real events securely. Solana and Avalanche target high performance, faster processing, and lower costs. They aim to scale decentralized applications for more users. Stablecoins like Tether and USD Coin are pegged to fiat to maintain price stability. They act as on-ramps between crypto markets and fiat values. Meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu often start as jokes. Sometimes they gain large followings and real-world use. Many altcoins use different consensus mechanisms than Bitcoin's proof of work. Alternatives include proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, and others. Some altcoins are designed to be more eco-friendly to lower environmental impact. They intentionally avoid energy-heavy mining. Altcoins can be used, traded, invested in, or act as utility tokens inside platforms. Utility tokens grant access, discounts, governance rights, or services. Some altcoins fund projects via ICOs or token generation events. White papers explain the project's goals and tokenomics. Many investors hunt for the next big altcoin seeking high returns, but altcoins carry high risk. Projects fail, get abandoned, or can be scams. Altcoins are usually more volatile than Bitcoin, swinging sharply in short periods. Traders experience both rapid gains and sudden losses. Some altcoins are listed on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Others only trade on decentralized or niche platforms. Altcoin projects often have communities, founders, and white papers. Roadmaps and active development signal long-term commitment. Understanding tokenomics, supply limits, inflation, utility, is crucial for evaluation. Some projects burn tokens to reduce supply over time. Unlike Bitcoin's hard cap of 21 million, altcoins use different supply models. Some have infinite supply, others use mechanisms to reduce tokens. Some altcoins target real-world problems, logistics, identity, or voting. Others remain primarily financial or speculative. Developers sometimes fork existing chains to create new altcoins like Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash increased block sizes to speed transactions. Some altcoins are interoperable, designed to communicate between blockchains. Interoperability is a key goal for Web3's future. The altcoin market is crowded and competitive, making survival difficult for new coins. Regulation varies by country. Some tokens may be classified as securities. Do due diligence, evaluate technology, team, use case, demand, and community. Altcoins have expanded blockchain possibilities beyond Bitcoin, and together they form a growing portion of crypto.